Now big boost for People's Democratic Party (PDP) as plenty decampees from other parties joined the PDP as their governorship campaign train waka enter Irrua, Eastern Central Local Government Area. This one make the People's Democratic Party candidate Dr. Asue and the deputy Ogie they more hopeful for the election. The decampees were they led by Chief Harrison Eche, will be the former All Nigerian People's Party ANPP candidate for the last Edo State House of Assembly election. Talk say them come from ANPP, All Progressive Congress APC and Labour Party, and them go come out in plenty number on September 21 to vote for PDP and Dr. Asue to make sure say the government fit continue their development work for all the communities for the state. When they received the new members for Egwari Primary School for Irrua, Governor Godwin Obaseki come praise PDP candidate, say na the most competent and credible choice for the election. Say Asue go put people's welfare first and push the state's development forward. Obaseki come also complain about the suffering and hardship where APC government don't bring upon the people. Say APC don't put the people for more suffering with their bad policies and leadership. Say things they worse every day. Obaseki talk say them done they make progress for the past 8 years and APC not fit take the state backward. Say in believe say PDP governorship candidate get the right experience to develop the state and bring prosperity. A Costi talk say them done they do their best to develop the state and come encourage the people to mobilize and vote for the PDP governorship candidate. Sake of say with Asue and Ogie for leadership, prosperity go dey sure.
What do we can't do here today? Now, how to make una mobilize? Because that day we won't win Eastern Central landslide. We don't win, but we don't want to make argument there. We don't want to make anybody argue. So we want to make sure say the difference between us and them be like night and day. And the way to do them, they say, una when they here, all of una must go back home. Look for about 10 people. Every person will come here, look for 10 people when you know. Whether for market, whether na your neighbor, whether na your fellow worker, tell them, say you go rally. You go PDP rally. When you reach PDP rally, this is not the message they give you now. Say, the one when we don't enter, APC don't put us for another gear. You know, say they get reverse 1, reverse 2, reverse 3. They be put us for reverse 1. If like say not do, they don't take us go reverse 2. Before we finish, we don't know where we go end. Because this fuel, when they just increase, now the beginning of another problem. Transport go up. Food price go up. Foreign exchange go up. What did that mean? Not be more suffer. Even the air where we don't breathe go up.
The PDP candidate Asue for in part talk say Edo people na smart and educated people and they not deserve to dey ruled by dull and uneducated people. A promise say in sabi say some people they suffer from water issue and say Obaseki don't try but him and Ogie go finish the work. Say water problem go become thing of the past for Eastern land if him become governor of the state.
From coming from farm to market, market to town, there are still some roads. Obaseki don't do many. Some way we never do. Ogie don't do many. So the work we never do, by God's grace, we go complete them. You know the work where we can't do here, now for Edo State to better pass. How many people know Singapore? If you know Singapore, put up your hand. For that Singapore, no poor person. We won't make Edo State better pass Singapore. Edo State go better pass Singapore because the thing where Edo State gets, Singapore no get them. We get people who get sense. We get better land. We get better agriculture. We get better mineral. We get better everything. So what will remain? Make we thank Obaseki. Everybody will thank Obaseki. Carry your cap up.
Director General of Campaign Matthew Dweyekeve, Edo PDP Chairman Anthony Azegbeme and other party leaders talk say
this local government now PDP na sense Senator Ogie go do senator for 2 terms. Now so this local government now PDP na make her better national woman leader, not be so. Now so this local government now PDP na the bring benefit come here. So I'm not going to talk about the other parties because as far as I'm concerned, I don't understand how somebody like Okme will become governor for Edo State. As you now don't say make it go Senate. We want to see what he want to do for that Senate. To know what I go do 2 times for Senate like Senator Ogie.
Una can't do also, I can't look so na one Akpa committee that I can't bring. Say make it can't be. How do they do that kind of thing? They can't make the man they disgrace all of us, all these people. Look at what be this. Nobody has said now. Nobody has said now.
No.
Nobody has said now.
No.
People want to make sure they go to school. We not go to school.
We are ready for election.
That's so.
Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
You will vote for Ogie. You will vote for Ogie. You will vote for Asue.
Yes.
This is the time to show Esa and Edo that you are properly aligned. We have a product that stands head and shoulder above every other product.
That's so.
Anybody has in the market. He is an Esa son, and we are very proud of him.
Company with just. I'm not alone. I'm not the Irrua. No back of the job. We never need one. I'm so sorry. I'm the company. No, I'm not the Josie. I'm an accountant. I'm an admin. I'm a supervisor. I'm a manager. I'm a banana. All officer, all of you. Contracting company, Beno.
The PDP governorship campaign trail come also enter Ekpoma, Edo West local government area, where one big crowd of supporters for welcome them. Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki, the People's Democratic Party candidate Asue and other party leaders can criticize the candidate of the All Progressive Congress and can yarn the people say President of Nigeria Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't talk say in a true Democrat and say in they support free and fair election and say come September 21, then ready for any opposition where they plan to do anyhow.
Our president, now Democrats, he believes in free and fair election. And he don't say we must get free and fair election in Edo. Some people feel tries on Yama, but because I'm the chief security officer for this state, they go meet us for here. Mama and Papa they here. If you're picking they cry, you don't go say wait till they make you cry. Rubbing eye, make sure say no cry again. We they cry, they don't answer us. When we cry, they go kick us, say, you're a foolish widow, get out. They say, go and die. When they cry, instead make them hold us, say, that person will get that can bind mind. If he do good for us, I rest my case. Abi?
If you not like the hunger, when they go through, you not feel vote otherwise. But if you not want reverse everything when you don't go through, in the last 1 year, which party you go vote for? PDP!
The only way we can appreciate the governor for what he has done for us.
Yes, sir.
It's not easy for us because we're in the minority, but for fairness and justice, he decided to give us this opportunity. And we are not going to disappoint him.
Make una no forget say, as we see him, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Edo Central Senatorial District, Ekata Ogie, TMC TV News.